For years, Ethereum dominated the crypto space in terms of its influence over decentralized applications and finance as a whole. As such, it was bound to eventually gain a competitor. However, what the industry didn't quite expect, and what came as a huge surprise, is that one of the co-founders of Ethereum would be the main people behind the launch of another layer 1 blockchain, which would, over time, become one of the largest. In fact, this project's coin price went from 2 cents in 2015 to a massive 7,400% increase to $1.50 in just 3 years. The blockchain I'm talking about is Cardano. Now that I have your attention, let's go over everything you need to know about Cardano as we look under the hood at its fundamentals and use cases. Hey everyone, it's Mark Thompson from CryptoMade, and today we're talking about Cardano. But before we go too far into the video, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you can always get alerted whenever I post upcoming videos. Keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor. This content is used for educational and informational purposes only. It's important to talk to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. And with that out of the way, let's get started. There are more than enough layer 1 blockchains out there. Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Algorand, Tron, Hedera, the list goes on. So what makes Cardano different? We'll get to that in just a bit. But first, let's talk about how Cardano came to be. As you probably know, Ethereum was one of the first to introduce smart contracts, which paved the way for DeFi, the NFT space, and other industries. While Ethereum went live on July 30th, 2015, it was actually conceived in 2013 by Vitalik Buterin. However, Vitalik wasn't alone, as in 2013, another person joined the project. In fact, there were a total of 5 people that worked on the project, but the person of interest here is Charles Hoskinson. Charles held the position of chief executive at Ethereum, but left in 2014 after a dispute over whether the project should be commercial or nonprofit. He went for the commercial route and was removed. But destiny had other things in mind for Hoskinson, as in late 2014, he, alongside a former Ethereum colleague, Jeremy Wood, formed the IOHK. The IOHK is the technology behind Cardano, a public blockchain and smart contract platform that is powered by the ADA cryptocurrency. Cardano was named after Girolamo Cardano, who was an Italian polymath that published several books, while the ADA cryptocurrency was named after Ada Lovelace, an English mathematician and writer. The project began development in 2015, but was launched in 2017. When Cardano was launched, a total of 31 billion ADA tokens were created, where 26 billion ended up being sold to investors. Cardano is a well-respected project due to the fact that users and developers utilize scientific research and formal verification throughout its development. What that means is that Cardano's code is mathematically verified. The consensus mechanism of Cardano is called Ouroboros and utilizes the proof-of-stake model. The code behind Cardano is written in the Haskell programming language. What this means is that the computers that run Cardano software can be part of a network in the form of one of the node types. M-Core nodes are the ones that can stake ADA tokens, where they can participate in the governance process. Through staking, users can help secure the Cardano network and, as such, helps users earn a return on their staked tokens. Relay nodes send data between M nodes and the public internet. Edge nodes are fully responsible for the creation of cryptocurrency transactions. All 3 nodes are required to make the network function. Furthermore, the Cardano network is divided into 2 layers. The first is the Cardano settlement layer that's used to transfer ADA between accounts and can record the transactions. The second is the Cardano computation layer, which contains the logic behind the smart contracts. This layer is typically utilized by developers, so they can move funds programmatically. The ADA token plays a major role in the network due to the fact that each user needs it in order to facilitate transactions or participate in the governance process. The governance process is essentially this procedure that lets users vote on software policies and future developments. This means that they could potentially have an impact on the inflation rate, for example. Cardano's transaction speed is 250 transactions per second and has an average transaction fee of around 34 cents. As a point of comparison, Ethereum can process around 15 to 30 transactions per second with an average transaction fee of over $13 as of May 7, 2022. The project is maintained by a total of 3 organizations, of which serve specific roles. The Cardano Foundation is a nonprofit that supervises and oversees its development, while the IOHK is the company that developed its proof-of-stake algorithm. Then there's EMURGO, an independent company responsible for encouraging enterprises and other large organizations to adopt Cardano. So while Charles Hoskinson left Ethereum, he created something huge that saw support from the crypto community and climbed its way to the top 10 list in terms of crypto projects based on market capitalization, which is truly impressive to see. It just goes to show you that you should be careful who you decide to part ways with for a specific project. My personal take is while Cardano has been a slow rolling project, there's no denying the Cardano community. Billionaire investor Mike Novogratz said, "I have learned one thing in the past 24 hours. Cardano has a passionate group of followers. I have no position and still think that there are better level 1 alternative bets like Luna and Sol. Investors don't have to catch every trade, not wishing anything ill will on Team ADA. Of course, which layer 1 will rise to the top is a debate for another day. Luna has already just collapsed. However, having a fraction of your crypto portfolio in a top 5 layer 1 project with passionate developers and investors alongside Hawkinson's experience that he brought from his time at Ethereum makes me bullish long-term on this project. Also, with Cardano's fast throughput and how it adopted proof of stake from the start, while Ethereum is still slowly pushing the update forward despite years of development, is another reason I see larger adoption. Also, the fact that Cardano differs from other projects due to the fact that it puts a deep focus on research-driven approaches to its design helps stand out from the other layer 1 blockchains. It's also great to see that the company IOHK consistently pushes many academic papers to highlight the core technology behind Cardano. So what about you? Have you invested into the ADA cryptocurrency yet? If you ended up enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more breakdowns on other crypto projects, including updates on everything that's going on in the industry.